In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable full screen in split screen on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find Advanced Features. Tap on that. Then select Labs. Next, look for the option Full Screen in Split Screen View and tap on the toggle to turn it off. You should notice that when you enter split screen, that the navigation and status bars have disappeared, meaning that you're now in full screen. To turn this feature off, allowing you to get back your navigation or your status bar, simply go back to Settings, Advanced Features, Labs, and then tap on the toggle to disable full screen in split screen view. You'll notice in split screen that the status and navigation bars have reappeared. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.